ខ្មែរស្នេហាពងសៅដាពូនពងរនថាថ្លៃថ្នូរឧត្តមទាំងចិនមេត្តាកាំងរណាសាសងជាទីមនោរមនៃមនុស្សផងគ្នាទុំជាតិខ្មែរថៃដែនដីសៃមកយ៉ាងនៅទីណាឥតប្រែជាតិខ្មែរវប្បធម៌ចំណងจีนสังปูกายยังเตอคำทายเอาบ้านทันเทยังเจียกูทำไมรวมคณิตไทยมรดกโดนตาจีบยืงไกลกลาเราสายืงจะสามกีเนียรุ่นใดกีฬามันก็สังชินอภิพรกลุ่มเกลียบรู้ยืมกลุ่มเนียสุดแต่มีแม่ดงจีบมา
Good morning, Excellencies, teachers, parents, and friends.
នាងខ្ញុំជាសិស្សានុសិស្សសាលាអន្តរជាតិ Planet ពិតជាសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់ដែលសាលារៀនរបស់ខ្ញុំបានរួមចំណែកនៅក្នុងការឲ្យអំណោយទៅកាន់ជនភៀសសឹកនិងជនរងគ្រោះនៅជាដែនដូចគ្នាខ្ញុំបាទពិតជាសូមអរគុណដល់វីរៈកងទ័ពជាតិយើងដែលបានការពារប្រទេសមាតុភូមិជាតិ
We also have important stuff to the kids, and we hope that the child receive a notebook or a pencil so it can make them happier.
The refugees here have lost everything in this war, so we are grateful and happy that we are donating some of these supplies to give back on what they lost.
I'm very happy to donate all this food and stuff to the soldiers who have sacrificed their lives to protect our country.
Everyone needs peace, not war. Please stop this war.
ពួកយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រូវការសន្តិភាពមិនមែនសង្គ្រាមទេ Everyone needs peace, not war.